Let me tell you about a place. A tropical oasis. Where you can open a window and it's not just the light that comes in. Where you take a stroll and it's not just wildlife you encounter. Where a meal becomes a culinary journey. And a bean becomes a delicacy to savor. Where your body finds relaxation and your mind space to wonder. Where luxury is intimate and the little touches speak volumes. Hotel del Parque, the city's first luxury boutique hotel, where the past meets the present, nature meets luxury, and service meets passion. Hotel del Parque, the city's first luxury boutique hotel.